CPIM के जनरल सेक्रेटरी सीताराम येचुरी ने आज अपने ख्यालात का इजहार करते हुए कहा है कि तंजीमों पर पाबंदी आयद करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है क्योंकि वो मुख्तलिफ नामों से दोबारा सर उठाती है। ये इनका बयान ऐसे वक्त में आया है जब मरकज़ ने पॉपुलर फ्रंट ऑफ इंडिया और इससे इदारों पर 5 साल के लिए पाबंदी आयद कर दी है।
You obviously want to know our reaction on the PFI ban, right? That is the issue. Politburo will issue a statement, an official statement that will come from Delhi shortly. But we have 4 points to make. The first is that as far as the CPIM is concerned, we have been stridently all along opposing all sorts of extremist activities by anybody and also by the PFI. And these sort of extremist activities that vitiate the atmosphere and create polarization, particularly in terms of religious polarization, is something the CPIM has always opposed and continues to oppose. We think these sort of extremist activities by the PFI must end. On that there is no two questions about it. Secondly, in Kerala particularly, this sort of extremist violence has happened due to the killings and the retaliatory killings between the RSS and the PFI. This has happened in Alleppey, this has happened in Palghat, and the last 4 killings of this nature has been killings and retaliatory killings. So both of them must stop this. Both of them must stop this, and that is why we have said that the BJP president, if he says Kerala has become the hotspot of terrorism, he must, if he wishes to end this sort of terrorism, must tell the RSS to stop this killings and retaliatory killings and take action, which the state administration will do, a firm action against all the extremist activities.